Kai. Hello. Kai is always naked
Okay. All right.
because it's hot all the time. He's
Hot
sweating all the time.
Sweating.
Sweating all the time. That's his job, to sweat all the time. These are Marie's kids. Say mong first name, Dai.
Kia.
Huh?
Kia.
Kia, Estrel, and
Fien.
huh?
Fien.
Pian. They are so cute. Yeah. So just making videos right now. The dirty kitchen. And the kitchen. The dining area, I mean. Right here, right now. We're just waiting. Today we're going to a party. A birthday party at my niece's friends, which I've known also. They already been to Marcellus Beach, so I know these people that we will be going to later. Oreo's just chilling today. Nothing much to do. And you don't have to put that on. And this is the beautiful front of my sister's place. They're both deceased now. I took a video of this before. I'm making one again. So relaxing under these very healthy plants that they have. This is Marie. She's taking care of this house for my niece. Going to the town to get photocopies of this plan requested by my brother. Carigara Leyte, the hometown of my sister. From na ko ang imong friend. Ang imong beautiful
Ayan nga
friend.
mga tanong manulot dito maghusay. Si Cecil mga tanong.
Yeah.